Now, in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna generate the GPG key for my GitHub account. In this case, we just use the GPG command, and then we have a couple of options. I'm just gonna use the default one, which is option number 1. And in terms of bits, I prefer using the maximum, so 4096 is the one I will use. I don't want it to expire, and then yes, this is correct. And then I'm just gonna use Morendwa Rachitimba. There we go. And then email address is Morendwa Rachitimba@gmail.com. Right? Cool. Comment the same Morex the coder, and everything is okay. Then I'm gonna create my password. That's Morex. Cool. And then we're just gonna add that. I was saying my password out loud, but this is just for demonstration purposes, so it's not gonna be the password I'm gonna be using. So yeah, it's generating, and then it's generated the password. Now I wanna add this to my GitHub, right? So I'm just gonna use view GPG, and then I provide the email. So that's my email for my GitHub, gmail.com. Cool. Then the signing ID, you will see that you have a little bit of this information, right? So this is the algorithm I use, right, which is RSA, and then the number of bits I provided is 4096, right? In case if you used 1024, it will be showing 1024, but this is my private key, and that's the signing ID that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna paste that, and I get my GPG. I'm just gonna copy everything, including that beginning and the end, and I'm gonna go to my GitHub, and I'm gonna add a new GPG, and I'm gonna paste and add the GPG. Once I'm done, I'm gonna go to basically we're done in terms of adding the GPG. What we're left with is to configure, right? So if you check our commands there, we have config GPG, right? So we're gonna run config GPG, and then we're gonna provide the configuration file. So this is the file that's gonna be created, right? So since this is Morex the code account, I'm gonna use the same name as my SSH, but it's not going to affect anything because this is going to create a configuration for the GPG stuff, right? But the SSH stuff, they are inside .ssh directory, so you don't have to worry about giving them the same name. It's easier to just use the same name because it helps you, especially when you use the user functionality, which I will show later on. So this is Morex the coder, right? And then the email is Morendwa Rachitimba@gmail.com. Cool. And then I'm just gonna provide the private key, which is just that section, and then I'm gonna copy, and then I'm gonna paste it there, and there we go. We are done configuring our GPG for our GitHub account.